Hi, Chef Jay here.
Today I'll be making chocolate mochi. This chocolate mochi is an easy and quick treat that blends rich chocolate with Japanese mochi, requiring only about 5 ingredients. The link to the full recipe is in the description. You will need 2 pieces of kirimochi, 1 chocolate bar, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 4 tablespoons of soy milk, cocoa or cacao powder for dusting. Step 1. Cut kirimochi into small cubes and break the chocolate into small pieces. Step 2. Combine the cut kirimochi, chopped chocolate, sugar, and soy milk in a small saucepan. Set the heat to low, allowing the ingredients to melt together gently. Step 3. Stir continuously until the mixture thickens and becomes a stretchy, dough-like texture. Step 4. Sprinkle a cutting board with cocoa powder to prevent sticking and transfer the chocolate mochi on it. Flatten the dough and dust the top of the mochi with additional cocoa powder. Step 5. Cut the mochi into equal pieces and shape them into small, bite-sized balls. Dust some extra cocoa powder on the shaped chocolate mochi. And your chocolate mochi is ready to be enjoyed. I hope you enjoy this chewy and sweet chocolate mochi recipe. Also, sign up for my weekly newsletter and receive a free vegetarian recipe ebook. Go to chefjcooks.com/em/newsletter.
Thanks for watching, and please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe.